Hi guys, my name is Ha and today I want to make this video to talk with you. I want to read a text a kiss and now I will begin. A kiss close by a new car is a very expensive car. It's a huge blue fast car. White driving down the street. Carlos sees a girl on the bicycle. She has long blonde hair and is beautiful. He asks to her, "What's up?" She ignores him. He asks, "How's it going?" She keeps going and ignores him. He asks, "Hey, why won't you talk to me? I want to go dinner with you. I will take you an expensive restaurant." The girl turns, gets off the bike, and looks at him. She says, "I don't want to go to dinner, but if you give me a car, I will give you a surprise." Carlos says, "Okay." He jumps out of the car. He gives her the key and says, "Here's the key." The beautiful blonde takes the key and then kisses Carlos on the cheek. Then she jumps into the car and drives away. Carlos stands on the side. Now he has no car and no gun. He says, "That's it. Just a kiss on the cheek." He gets on her bike and drives home. This is all about my video, and that's for now. See you next video. Bye bye. Good night.